And so you need to consider things that you might not have considered as a scientist before. You need to think about your IP position, because that's important for how you're going and what mechanisms you have for funding for your drug to be able to do the research that you need. You need to think about your regulatory roadmap. You need to think about GMP and manufacturing concerns. How are you ever going to make this thing reproducibly, safely, and at scale so that you can inject it into a human being, right? And that's really where a company like Cytiva comes in with our translational research platform. Is, we're looking not just to be a vendor that sells products that have certain features and benefits that help you with your science. We certainly do that, but that's just the beginning. We are really a partner for you as a translational scientist to help you with these other things that are outside the science but are still required in order to efficiently move that drug as efficiently as possible through preclinical and into the clinic. And then once you're there, assuming that you've demonstrated your toxicity, your safety profiles and your efficacy in a human population, and you want to scale up into phase 2, into phase 3, maybe even take this to market, our proven downstream manufacturing solutions, we're right there with you, arm in arm as your partner to be able to allow you to do that as quickly and economically as possible.